All right, we're back. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now because that's too much playing with all that stuff. This doesn't look too bad right now. Okay, so damn, I could move the camera a little bit though. I don't think it's even changing anything. Um, 2 grid size. $64 is allowed. Try 7 by 7 and 49 components. 7 by 7 and 49 components here. 7 by 7. Okay. What else? Still clean math, much safer. This is fixed mysterious crashes. Okay. Shader and compiler can spike memory. Ooh. Okay. So that's fine with me. What else? Even a simple material can kill mobile if it has more than 3 texture samples. 3 texture samples only for mobile, baby.
Mm, only three?
Yeah.
Mm.
But we can just make our own rocks and stuff. So we'll have it be grass, sand, and dirt.
Mm-hmm.
Just really everything pretty much. And then rocks you put in yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Or you just change the actual landscape and it'll blend between the 3 to give it like gradients between those though. That it makes it look like there's more.
Mm.
Foliage, I'm guessing, is still a big no-no. I'm not sure though. Uh, this is for Unreal Engine 5.5. Okay. 5.5.3. 5.5.3 for Android. Any ideas about foliage? Is that allowed on mobile? I feel like that also broke the compiler. Uh, Mobile foliage is allowed, but only if you treat it like it's made of glass. Okay. Is foliage allowed? Quotation marks, that's not good. Yes. Is it safe by default? No. On mobile, foliage is one of the top 3 causes of shader compile failures, cook errors, black screen on launch, instant crash after splash, especially in 5.5x where foliage plus nanite plus lumen paths got refactored. So that's what happened. Yeah, because nanite and foliage were not allowed at the same time in 5.5. Okay, so 5.5 allows nanite on foliage. Android says absolutely not. Even if nanite looks disabled, foliage can still inherit it from the mesh. Oh. 5.5 allows nanite on foliage, but then Android says no. Fuck. For every foliage mesh, open static mesh, nanite off, and save. Oh. Oh, okay. So we have to go through and turn off nanite to make it work on mobile. That's why the foliage is crashing.
Oh.
Nanite was like the whole reason why we wanted Unreal Engine 5 to begin with, because they made it look like it was, and it is actually, like, it's fucking incredible what it does, but they didn't have it working for the launch of Unreal Engine 5 is some bullshit. The mega scans it worked on, and now it works, but still, it's at 5.7, almost Unreal Engine 6 is whenever it has their advertised thing that they said. I would calm down before calling it Unreal Engine 6 for a while, though. Like, you all need to fucking make sure that, like, I don't even know why they don't have regular ass things in it, like a fucking character creator. Don't you think that should be something in an engine?
Yeah.
In every game engine. Just make it the fucking metahumans, just have that built into the engine. I don't want it to be off the website, it needs to be in the engine. It makes no fucking sense. And also, I need it to where it's in the game every time, basically, so I can have my character be interchangeable between a bunch of games. Would be fucking crazy awesome, too.
Mm-hmm.
That should be built into the games. Just like how on the Wii, you can use your Mii character for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
The Unreal Engine should do that, really. Have a default thing of that. Okay. Target Android. I have a Galaxy 10 Plus, I think, right? Or is it a regular Galaxy 10?
I don't remember.
Well, I think it's on the back of my phone. I have a S10e. Runs on currently. Very sensitive to shader pre-mutation. So if it runs at all, you must be doing something right. Thanks. Yeah, not only that, but it's running with AI, voice-controlled AI, motherfucker. She's like, wow, it works at all? Yep. But making it work made me cry a lot. Feel like I was gonna cry a lot. What breaks it fast? Foliage plus wind. Even simple grass wind is usually too much. Okay. So 441 and 505. Material textures. Is there a way to do materials here? Does not say. Let's see. Sand. Alright. Do you... Okay, so we should have maybe a sand material, or should we have like a grass material for... Maybe grass, right?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
No, I don't have it, though.
Oh.
Like,
What do you mean, what?
You just asked, I answered, you motherfucker!
Mm-hmm.
Well... We might need to go to Quixel Bridge and add... I thought we already had grass. Did we really not?
I don't know. I never did show you this part in Avatar. Watch, wait, look. Okay, ready.
Watching.
Bam.
What are you doing?
I threw him out the vehicle.
Yeah, I've done that before too. Maybe I beat the game with you.
I didn't remember if I got you that ability or not.
Yeah. Oh, that's an ability?
Yeah.
No.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
motherfucker. I was wondering how the fuck you were doing that.
Mm-hmm.
I've been watching you doing it for the whole damn game, though.
Mm.
Alright, well, it's gonna be sand first, so let's just, create, right? Ooh. Do I just press create? What does that other button do? What does fill world do? Longer answer, do not press fill world, especially on mobile. One landscape, always use create. Okay. I forgot what fill world does, but let's not do that then. We're gonna create. Alright. So... Alright, so... The thing is here, like, we're just gonna do a couple of little blobby things, and then we're gonna see if this compiles now. Because just making the landscape before broke it. So before we add cool materials and shit that we only have 3 of, let's go ahead and package the product. Kudomon 9. This is now 10. Under build. And we're going to delete our other ones. You just click build, select folder. And watch the matrix compile. Alright. Stream fog. Let's see if we can activate our green screen again. Or Slipknot mask.
Not again.
Oh, Slipknot mask not wanting to work right now, though. Let's refresh it. Oh, okay. I was like, did I just break my camera? No. That would have sucked. Okay, fine. Let's not play with it, actually. Yellow. That's not good. It's a warning one. It's not a failure, though. Unable to find package. Unable to find package for first-person maps. Not good. Okay, let's not panic yet, though. Gonna go ahead and knock on wood. Because that's lucky, I think. Whoa. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. It's just a freaking landscape. They have been in 3D programs for like 30 or 40 years by now. It is just a landscape. Okay, that's animations. Oof. Okay, we might have gotten past the level part finally. Okay, that's fine. Metahumans walking in place. That's fine. It's just a copy, so it's just reading it twice. And it doesn't like to see that there's 2 things named the same, but they're just a copy of the same character, because that's how you make more characters. But apparently doesn't like the naming convention there. That's okay. What else do we got here? Failed to compile material for platform Vulcan. Default material will be used in the game. Water asset. What? Okay, we haven't had a problem with the water so far. That's a strange one to say, though. Oh, oof. Dun, 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 dun. I need to figure out how the Spotify thing works. I'm still really confused. Oh? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh?
Oof. Okay, it might be fine. It says fixing mini and SDK version. Level is 31, which is above. Mini SDK version 26. I don't know. Why is it doing that? What is this? Enable Google Play support. I have no idea what that is. Support in-app purchasing. False. You see both of these right here?
One of those.
Google Play support and in-app purchasing
Oh.
is set to false right now. Those are the two you need, though, apparently, for, you know, making, like, if we're gonna be selling clothing.
Yeah.
So that's how you set it up through the store, is using those two lines of code.
Oh.
Because you have to set it from false to true. Hey! That worked!
Yay!
Alright, so... Well, that's the first part here, is that we got... Okay, so this one worked for some reason. Fantastic. Is this big enough? Look at how big... This is how big the map is, though. It's not really the biggest right here. But this is a mobile game. And we'll just do, like, a lot of hills and stuff. Right? We'll make this, like, a grassland area. Okay. This little cube, though, is the water. And we need to make this water way, 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 way bigger then. I have it on 1. That would have been more helpful. Okay, so we go to the top viewport. There we go, from the top viewport. And then we're going to go ahead and scale this to be bigger. Let's move it up to the top left here. And scale this to be bigger. This is our ocean. We need to have, you know, a whole set here. Because you don't just want to, like, look off the sand and then you're into nothingness. It doesn't make any sense. So now whenever you go from the beach, you walk onto the water. Of course. So let's go back to perspective viewport. And you can just double click on one of these and it'll just teleport you to the ground real fast. Okay. So that's good. Let's go to Quixel Bridge now and find a grass texture. So luckily, people at least give you grass. Unlike my first 3D level design teacher who did not let us have grass textures. It was terrible. Artificial grass. Damn, that looks so good. Fab. I'm scared because it has to be mobile. Grass, mobile. Let's just try this one first, because that looks freaking insane. Okay, get it on Fab. So annoying. From 0 to 99. Oh, it wants $1 for the grass. You guys are dicks.
$1.
Yeah.
Pays $1 for grass.
Right? I it's literally necessary for a whole game to exist. That's dumb. Where's the moss texture that I normally like to use? Moss turns out to be like one of the best grass textures.
Mm.
It looks like, yeah, mossy grass. Because it blends really well. Am I even signed in? Like, I hate whenever it doesn't have me. No, I'm not signed in. Just keep me signed in, you freaking annoying bastards. Uh, my Facebook one works. I've signed in, like, on everything, so it's all linked. Oh, no. I had to say that. Sign in. Come on. Just use one of them. PlayStation Network, even. I have an Xbox. The Google one, though. Continue. Leave me signed in. Next. Oh my god. Use. There we go. Oh, mobile live dashboard? Shut up, Twitch. Thank you. I already. What is my phone number?
Boyfriend's phone number?
03? Okay, that is the correct phone number. Okay. There it is. Oh my god.
I haven't texted you since December
9
2nd.
3 7. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, if somebody wants to use my Unreal Engine account, they can. Can you not do that anymore? Yes, that's all my accounts. I even have the PlayStation Network and the Xbox. Show one more and Facebook. Yeah, I have it linked on everything. And I have an Epic Games account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways that I've signed in on here. That's crazy. We were supposed to scan Kyle too, remember?
We were supposed to do a lot of things.
Yeah. I might want to try to redo my face. I wonder if it'd give me a different one. Or maybe I should do my hair different. I don't know. It's like literally my face though.
Mm-hmm.
Just like it feels like I'm wearing like a little bit of like makeup or something. Like my lips are a little bit more red. I'm not really sure what's going on. 3D assets. Okay. How about try this again? Grass for free. Wild grass. You are so annoying. Collections. Acquired? Yeah, what are the ones I already have? Okay. Mossy grass. This one right here. That's what I want. We're gonna download that. Hi. Oh no. Is there a mobile quality? I don't know. It's highest quality, I guess. Ooh, look at this thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Ooh, or see these right here?
Mhm.
These are just like, you could even add these to foliage if you wanted.
Hmm.
Bales of hay. These are part of the mega scans, those that they have these like super high detailed objects. But we're not using fucking whatever. So we could just bring it into our thing and use it as a regular model. It's just not like super optimized that way. I have to figure out what choice to use. You've hit the free plant. What? Okay, so your limit resets in 17 minutes. You're being really goofy these days, ChatGPT. I've even paid you before. You also give me like preferred status or something. It's just that whenever I paid for it, you all still cut me off at like 2 pages worth of programming.
Mm.
And then it starts to, what is that called again? Where it like limits the programming.
I don't remember. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I hate when they do that shit though. It's like, okay, you were a useful tool until 2 pages of programming and it hits the limit.
Mhm.
And then it's just like, it'll ruin your programming even after that.
Yeah.
It's very stupid. Goodness. Oh, Lauren is playing more Arc Raiders. She
Right
is
now.
Arc Raiden Adventurer. Yeah, she's playing Arc Raiders on her Steam
Mm.
machine. 8K texture. Ooh, fancy. Alright, so with this landscape mode, we're going to. Uh-oh. Manage. Uh-oh. There are currently no target layers. Oh no, how do I get it to where it doesn't have this? How do you change the material? There are currently no layers assigned to this landscape. Use the buttons above to add a new ones to populate them from materials currently assigned to the landscape. So we do that one. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 layers, probably. And we want this one to be grass now, please. You're such a freaking asshole. Mega scans. Surfaces. Mossy green thing. Right here, I would like you to be this one. No? Is that not how it works? What? Wait, what? Layers. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT again. How do you add the landscape materials? I already added the sand when it was created, but now I want it to be grass. What? Oh, new chat even? Or wait 17 minutes? What? What the fuck kind of... Y'all are being so stupid too often. Where's Claude? How do I... Oh, what the fuck? How do I change my materials in the landscape for Unreal Engine 5. I'm doing it for mobile. So, oh wait, is my camera working? Yeah, okay, it is working. I'm doing it for Unreal Engine. So, so I can only have 3. Content browser, right click material. Oh, I'm not saying how I set it up. Landscape in the details panel. Okay, so landscape in the landscape in the details panel. Landscape. Oh, this. Here it is. Landscape. Okay, and then in the details you can change the material. There we go. Okay, so the default landscape material we want to be this one. So you click on it and then click the arrow here. And now we wait. Hey! Okay. So that's different looking. Is this the right one? Oh, yeah, baby, look at this.
Ooh.
Yes. Okay. But is that... It's kind of a little bit patchy, right? Damn. So this isn't the moss that I wanted. Damn it. Okay, wait. So selection... landscape. I think though, so can I add another layer here? Is what that means? Paint? There's no layer here. Damn it. This isn't the grass that I really wanted, because I want the one like, because it looks really patchy, and like if you're far away it looks really obvious, like you're in a game or something, that it's just like a tiled texture, and I hate that. It looks better than just having the same exact texture, and if we wanted to really, we could just draw a bunch of stuff and make like a small area to basically make our own LODs around it so people wouldn't notice that when it gets patchy. But I don't really want to do that. I just want to have a texture that already works. So we're going to go back to Quixel Bridge. So let's go to selection and then Quixel Bridge. Stop being weird. Stay here or whatever. Am I still signed in? Thank you. Under my acquired things. That was the wrong mossy grass, I guess. So, this one. Should we try medium quality or something? Is there another grass that I have? Why is it doing that one? Mossy grass. Is this the same thing? It's the same place. Ugh, I must have clicked on these though. Alright, let's try... Why is it doing that? Download? It's a weird one. Okay, we got 33% here. Alright, I gotta pee while that downloads.
People.
That's exciting that landscape is working now, though, because I don't know what the fuck was happening before.
Yeah.
It said that it was this. I had it at 8x8 instead of 7x7 for the components, though. Apparently that helps the shaders. Okay. Uh. What? Holy crap. I downloaded it, but it didn't actually... Ugh, that's so annoying. Damn it. And I kind of do like this texture, though. Like, whenever you're right here, it looks really good. But then if you, like, look out very far, it starts to look stupid. Also, we have to move the water, because that... Even though that looks very cool. Very, very cool looking. Alright, alright. So, Quixel Bridge is right there. Grass. This one. Add. Like the green one. Did it do the same fucking one? It's the same one. Being some brats right now. Why don't it be this one, baby? See this one right here? Come on, man. Let me have some grass on here. Have some grass right now. There's nothing in their grinder. No. We got stuff in here still, though. Maybe you see this? It's supposed to be... We're not supposed to... You weren't supposed to run out, though, and freak out. I was hiding it in a stash in there. We went through the rest of it, though, a little bit too fast. But we got our whittle buds right here. She wanted to charge me more at the other place for, like, do you want to have big buds? Like, they were gonna charge... They have big buds that they sell, or small buds. And the small buds are less expensive for the same weight.
Really?
Yeah. I was like, is the quality any better? She said no. I'm like, okay, I'll take the small buds. I don't have any problem with that.
Right?
I guess, like, is this like a baby carrots thing? Like, what the fuck does that even mean? Right? Is this a baby carrots situation?
Mm-hmm. That, no,
Shit, now I don't know which one is which, too. I just have a copy. I guess it probably doesn't take up that much just to have another. It's an 8K texture, though. Damn it. Where is it? Did it add or not? Oh, Quixel Bridge, you. Stop asking me. Acquired. It's this one right there, right? Oh my god. And then we said this one we want to add. Oh shit, is it the same one again? This might just have to be our grass texture because it's being so stupid. What is this one? Patchy wild grass. See, where are these other ones too, right? Because it shows them here, but then why can't I get this one? It's being so weird. Mossy wild grass. Mossy grass. Grass. Dude. Give me a different one. I swear to God, if I download the same one again. Ooh. Clovers? That might be fun. What do you think?
yeah.
Uncut grass. Get it on Fab. You bastards. Fine. Let's just look this up. There we go. Download. Accept. Okay. Add to my library. Continue. Alright. So. Acquired? Oh, are these all of mine? Here we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, wait. That's different. That's the one over here. Mossy rock. Isn't this already mine? I know. I know. Thank you. Okay, see, why is it doing this one? Add to my library. Add to my library. Collections, maybe. Oh, that's all of them. No, mine. Local. All are being some breads. Ooh, what's this? Dried grass. Okay. Okay, so. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing here? this one. It keeps just adding the same one over and over. Why are you being so weird? Quit it. Quit it. It's so dumb because I've already downloaded these and they're trying to retroactively make me pay for them. Like, no, I already downloaded, you asshole.
Mm.
Being so dumb. This might just be the grass texture, unfortunately, because it is being very strange right now.
Okay.
I don't understand why it's only adding this one texture, too, is super annoying. Alright, well, let's get rid of these because they make no sense here now. Sting. Other kind of tree. It might make more sense if they were like further away or something, but just right here makes no sense. Okay, so we have something here. I'm just not gonna be happy if I don't have the grass, though. It's gonna drive me crazy. I want regular freaking grass, like green grass. And I already have like a moss texture I've used. I'm pretty sure it's this one too. Like, I don't even know what it's doing. Let's try a different pack though. And then I'm gonna add this one. See if we can get something that's not patchy looking. Ooh, that looks interesting. And then under the details panel here.